Welcome, fellow travelers, planning your 2024 adventures? Look no further. In this video, we unveil the top 3 best carry-on luggage options for the year. We tried and tested over 13 different bags to find the best 3 for you. So whether you're a frequent flyer, a weekend wanderer, or a business globetrotter, we've got you covered. Stay tuned for the best carry-on luggage 2024. The third entry in our list is the Briggs & Amp Riley Baseline Spinners, an exquisite 22-inch essential carry-on in a sleek black design that combines style with unmatched functionality. This piece of luggage has a host of key features that make it a standout choice for travelers who demand the best. First and foremost, its construction from durable ballistic nylon fabric ensures that it can withstand the most rigorous of travel adventures, promising longevity and reliability. One of the standout features of this carry-on is the CX compression expansion system, which allows you to maximize your packing space while maintaining the bag's shape, ensuring you have room for souvenirs or additional essentials you may pick up during your journey. Inside, the spacious interior is thoughtfully designed with multiple pockets, helping you stay organized and making accessing your belongings a breeze. The 4 double swivel wheels of the Briggs & Amp Riley Baseline Spinner glide effortlessly through airport terminals, providing smooth and effortless maneuverability, even in crowded spaces. This is a game-changer for those rushed connections or long walks through terminals. Moreover, it includes a built-in suitor system, which is a traveler's dream for keeping clothes wrinkle-free and ready for any occasion. But what truly sets Briggs & Amp Riley apart is its renowned lifetime guarantee, a testament to the company's confidence in the quality of their products. Our second top pick for the best carry-on luggage is the SwissGear Sion carry-on. This suitcase effortlessly blends style and durability, making it an ideal companion for modern travelers. The exterior of the SwissGear Sion is not only aesthetically pleasing with its clean lines and modern design, but it's also built to withstand the challenges of frequent travel. Constructed from high-quality materials, it's abrasion-resistant and highly durable, ensuring it can endure the bumps and scrapes that often occur in transit, all while maintaining its elegant appearance. When it comes to maneuverability, this luggage truly shines. The 4 360-degree spinner wheels provide exceptional mobility, allowing you to effortlessly glide through busy airports, maneuver tight corners, and navigate cramped spaces. It's a game-changer, especially if you're frequently on the move and need a suitcase that won't slow you down. Inside, the SwissGear Sion's thoughtful design becomes evident. The interior is well-organized, featuring multiple zippered pockets and compression straps that help keep your clothing and essentials neatly in place. This not only prevents wrinkles, but also lets you maximize your packing space, which is crucial when traveling with only a carry-on. One standout feature that sets the SwissGear Sion apart is the built-in USB port. This convenient addition allows you to charge your devices on the go, eliminating the need to hunt down power outlets in crowded airports. This feature is especially valuable for those who rely on their devices for work, entertainment, or staying connected while on the road. Now for the number 1 pick on our list of the best carry-on luggage for 2024 is the Samsonite Freeform carry-on spinner. This suitcase epitomizes everything you could wish for in a travel companion. The Samsonite Freeform seamlessly blends cutting-edge design, durability, and functionality. Its contemporary sleek exterior showcases a unique hard-shell design that's not only visually striking but also incredibly resilient. This luggage is built to withstand the wear and tear of travel, ensuring your belongings stay well protected throughout your journeys. But it's not just about looks. The performance of the Samsonite Freeform is truly exceptional. It features 4 multi-directional spinner wheels that deliver unparalleled mobility, allowing you to glide effortlessly through crowded terminals and tight spaces. The combination of durability and maneuverability makes it a standout choice for frequent travelers. On the inside, the Samsonite Freeform doesn't disappoint. The interior is thoughtfully designed with cross straps and pockets, ensuring your items are neatly organized and secure during your travels. Its expandability feature provides additional packing capacity when needed, giving you the flexibility to bring back a few extra souvenirs without worry. For the tech-savvy traveler, This suitcase is well prepared with a TSA-approved combination lock, offering peace of mind regarding your valuables. In conclusion, the Samsonite Freeform carry-on spinner takes the top spot as the best carry-on luggage for 2024. Its unbeatable combination of style, durability, functionality, and tech-savvy features makes it the ultimate choice for modern travelers. If you're looking for the perfect travel companion, look no further. The Samsonite Freeform is here to make your journeys smoother and more enjoyable than ever before. Feel free to like and subscribe, and we wish you happy travels.